Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about installing DaVinci Resolve 19 on PC. In order to do so, here we are and we've done a search, and as you can see, DaVinci Resolve can be found at blackmagicdesign.com. So we're going to go ahead and click here. And once we are on the blackmagicdesign.com site, what we're looking for is just to scroll down a little bit here. And here you can see that you can install DaVinci Resolve. So if you just click on that, then it will give you a variety of options to choose from. And we can go ahead and select, if you're looking for the free version, then you just want DaVinci Resolve 19. If you want Studio, then that is paid. And it does have a variety of other bells and whistles that goes along with it. But for many people, for most people, DaVinci Resolve 19, the free version, is really quite competent. So all you have to do here is just select which platform you want to install it on, and just click on that and then go through the steps and you can install DaVinci on your machine. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.